Cooch, 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 Cooch gang, don't give two fucks. We hit you with the bars that will make you hiccup. We hit the streets hard with all of the broties, then beat a nigga's ass till he look like pepperoni. Cooch gang flow goes in too hard. Don't give three fucks, cause we are too hard. Fuck with us, man, and we will fuck back. You a bitch if you say Cooch gang is whack. We be mobbing in the school, LHS where it at. Cooch gang flow be where it at. I don't care what you say, cause my bars too straight. Double D is my nigga for life. Olay, rock candy banners, that's what we is. Yo girl be misfitting on our dick. I don't give a finna, my name is Maddie. My bars too hot and steady. I'm out.
Yo, it's Double D. Chronic in my blunt, straight pimping out my red cup. Cooch gang, we up in this, y'all should know what's up. I'm sipping lean boy, don't fall. My game big boy, like Nintendo. Yo shit extra small, need an extendo. You got a dusty hoe? Trust me, I know how that goes. It flows two ways. Forget a coach, we make our own plays. Ay, where all the real rap groups at these days? Yo, king of the misfits, Captain K. I look like Pamela, watch of the bay. Just wait, Cooch gang finna make pay. I'm the head honcho, check out my motherfucking poncho, bitch.